Hi Hilda, this is Michaela. I just got off the phone with somebody within your business and was told to send this message to you. I am just calling local businesses in your area, just going over your websites and showing you how to get leads just from your website alone. This is all free information. I just ask that you give me a quick email when you're done with this and just let me know your thoughts on the video, and I would greatly appreciate it. So to get started, I do have some background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three separate aspects when ranking businesses on the Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important aspect for ranking on Google platform, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So you have a little bit here for the services that you offer. And you've got actually some decent content on your web page. I just want to show you a competition in the area who is ranking on page one to kind of do a comparison, okay? This is Laredo, Texas Carpet Cleaning, and they are on page one. And you can see that they do have a little bit more content available on their website. So just doing my research from a couple of the top people, I'm going to suggest that you get anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. Now, why is this important? Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your number one search option. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet, finds content-rich sites, and starts moving them up that Google platform. And I want to show you how I know that this is the case with this competitor. So I'm going to take you here to it's called Ahrefs, and it shows me a breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet. And I show that unfortunately you're not getting any traffic to your website, and that's probably because you're only ranking for 5 keywords. But I want to show you your competition just to give you an idea. They're not ranking for anything, right? They only have 4 people come into their website. They don't have any backlinks, referring domains, or citations, yet they have a number one spot. That is because they are ranking for content alone. So I'm showing you how big of a jump this can make in your overall placement on that Google ladder just by having good quality content. We also recommend for every additional service page that you offer to have its own separate service. So painting to have its own page, plumbing its own page, carpentry, everything that you have here have its own page. Why is that important? Because it allows you to be found from multiple search options, right? So if you have painting, for instance, you would have about 750 words of text on the painting page with keywords in there referring back to painting. And that's going to help anytime somebody in your area looks for painting services in Laredo or commercial painting in Laredo, you're going to get found on those search key terms. Going back here, so the more keywords we can get you ranking for, the better, and the easier it's going to be for people to find your business. Next, I'm going to take you over here to these two numbers. This UR number is directly related to citations. And a citation, if I take you here to the Google map, is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on a web directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. As you can see, when anybody does a basic Google search, the top 3 competitors are always going to get the most business because they're visible. Most people don't like to scan and search within their search just to find who they're looking for. They're going to take the top rated people, read a couple reviews, and probably make a choice. So securing one of these top positions is going to be crucial for A, getting seen by Google, and B, getting that UR up and getting you more business and clients. So I do have the ability to see how many citations your competition has, and I can obviously go into that further with you if that's something you're interested in looking at. But that's going to drive this UR number up. Now, why are these numbers so important? How do we work with them? Google likes these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible, and as close as you get to 30 or above, that creates some stability. So today you might be number 17 on a Google search, and tomorrow you might be number 24, and then the next day you might be number 21, and you kind of fluctuate. This number is going to provide stability. So getting you stable and securing a top spot on the first page of Google is obviously what we want to go for. And lastly, well, let's look at these backlinks. Backlinks and referring domains are anywhere that your website link is available on another website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting good quality backlinks from trusted websites is going to throw a lot of influence to your site. Google sees that the more influential sites that you put your backlinks on are going to really drive this DR number up, which is what we want, right? So getting both of these driven up to 30, getting some stability, and obviously or above, 30 or above. But getting some stability is going to really help you lock in a position on that first page, as well as get good quality content on your website and stuff it with good keywords that you want to be found for on multiple search options. That's going to drive a lot more traffic to your website. Well, I hope this was good information for you, Hilda. If you have any questions, my email and phone number are also on this message. Feel free to give me a call or reach out. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I'll be in touch soon. Bye-bye.